Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve a question which is a combination of mensuration and trigonometry topics. The diagram shows a pyramid VABCD with a rectangular base. V is vertically above M, that is the intersection of the diagonals AC and BD. AB is equal to 12 cm, BC is equal to 10 cm and VC is equal to 14 cm. Calculate the angle that VC makes with the base ABCD. So let us try to understand the question first. We have been given a rectangular base pyramid, that is VABCD, where ABCD is the rectangular base, and here the two diagonals of the rectangle are connected, which gives us the point M. So V is being positioned vertically above the point M. Now the length of some of the sides are being given to us. We are supposed to find out what is the angle made by the side VC with the base. That is, we need to find out this angle. So let us consider this as theta. So let us begin by considering this right-angled triangle ABC first on the rectangular base, and we called it as a right-angled triangle because we know that all the angles in the rectangle are 90 degrees. So here angle A is going to be 90, angle B is going to be 90, angle C is going to be 90, and angle D is also going to be 90. So out of this we are going to consider the right-angled triangle ABC. So we have redrawn the same triangle over here for easy reference. That is the right-angled triangle, right-angled at point B. The length of AB is 12 cm. The length of BC is 10 cm. And here we are trying to find out the length of AC. And to find out the length of AC, we are going to make use of the Pythagoras theorem. So here we have written, consider the right-angled triangle ABC, and using the Pythagoras theorem, here AC is the hypotenuse because it is opposite to the 90-degree angle. So hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of the rest two sides. So AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. So we get 12 square plus 10 square. Now taking this square of AC on the other side of equal to sign, we get AC is equal to square becomes square root of 12 square. 12 square is 144 plus 10 square is 100. So let us see what value this gives us. So square root of 144 plus 100 gives us 2 root 61, or in decimals it is going to be 15.6204. Let us round it to two decimal places, giving us AC as 15.62 centimeter. So here we have written the value of AC as 15.62 centimeter. Now once we have got the value of AC over here, that is this value, let us try to find out the length of MC. Now remember that the diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other and they intersect at their midpoints. And since the diagonal AC and BD are intersecting at point M, M becomes the midpoint of the diagonal AC and diagonal BD. And since M is acting as the midpoint, we are going to take the length MC as half of the length AC. So here we have written, the diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other and intersect at their midpoint. So MC will be equal to AC divided by 2, that is half of the length of AC. So 15.62 divided by 2 is going to give us the length of MC as 7.81 centimeter. Now here, once we have got the length of MC, since we are trying to find out the angle that VC makes with the base ABCD, let us consider the right-angled triangle VMC. This is going to be a right-angled triangle because it has already been given to us in the figure. So here we have redrawn the right-angled triangle VMC for easy reference, where we have got the length of MC as 7.81 centimeter. The length of VC was given as 14 centimeter. And this is the angle we are trying to find out, that is the angle made by VC with the base ABCD. So let us call it as theta. Now here to find out the value of angle theta, we have to make use of one of the trigonometric ratios. Now let us first find out which is the opposite side, adjacent side and the hypotenuse. Now the side opposite to the angle of concern is VM. So VM becomes the opposite side. The side opposite to the 90 degrees will be always the hypotenuse. So VC is opposite to 90 degree, so this becomes the hypotenuse, and the remaining side MC default becomes the adjacent side. Now here, since the opposite side is not given to us, so we are not going to make use of this side. and a trigonometric ratio which uses the adjacent side and the hypotenuse is cosine. So here we have written, consider the right-angled triangle VMC. Cos of angle theta is equal to the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. So here we have the adjacent side as MC. So here we have written cos theta is equal to MC over the hypotenuse is VC. This is equal to the value of MC is 7.81 centimeter over the length of VC is 14 centimeter. Now let us take cos on the other side of equal to sign. So we get theta is equal to cos inverse or arc cos of 7.81 over 14. So let us see what value this gives us. So cos inverse of the given fraction gives us 56.092 degrees, or we are going to round it to one decimal place and write it as 56.1 degrees. So here the angle made by VC with the rectangular base is 56.09 degrees or 56.1 degrees. So this is going to be our answer. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.